In this video, I will show you how to apply for a Barclays Bank credit card. To get started, go ahead and open Barclays on your browser. So go ahead and search for barclays.co.uk. Click on the credit cards tab, and under this, you'll be able to find available credit cards on Barclays. Click on the compare credit cards button from here. So you can simply do that, or you can simply scroll down into their homepage and you'll be able to find the option to view more of their credit card offers. To be able to actually apply for a Barclays credit card, you'll need to check your eligibility if you're actually eligible to have a credit card on Barclays. You can do that by clicking on the eligibility checker button under the check to see if you're eligible. Be able to proceed on checking your eligibility, and once you have confirmed that you're eligible to apply for a credit card on Barclays, you'll be able to get redirected into a page where you can actually find the requirements to be able to apply for a credit card on Barclays. And after that, you'll get redirected into a page where you can actually fill up a form where you'll need to enter your personal details to send your application for a credit card on Barclays. And that's basically how you can apply for a Barclays Bank credit card. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.